Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make netherite armor in Minecraft. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So, as you can see right here, we're going to need a bunch of things because it's not just as simple as mining some gold ore or iron and making an armor from it. So, first of all, you will need to build another portal to go to the nether because you will need to collect a bunch of things. First of all, you're going to need to collect a netherite upgrade. You can find this being generated on top of a nether fortress, which will be around there, and they will have chests which will include this netherite upgrade. Once you have that done, you're going to also mine a lot of netherrack just to make sure that we can upgrade from it, because this is how we're going to make more of this, which we will use to make the armor. Once that is done, you're going to make sure to mine for one last thing, and that's going to be ancient debris. And you can also find that just mining around is going to be a little harder to find, but it's going to be just exactly looking like this. And so you're going to smelt it in the furnace to create netherite scrap. Once you have netherite scrap, you're going to also find some iron ingots, some gold ingots, and a lot of diamond. And you're going to have your own diamond armor made beforehand. So you're going to strip down your diamond armor and keep that with you. Now we're going to make a smithing table by just placing a bunch of wood and from here to ingot, and you can see the smithing table and just place it right there. Now from here we're going to take all the netherite scrap that we have collected. Now we're going to make our netherite ingots, and you can do so by just going to your crafting table and then from here making sure that this looks like a Z. And then for the netherite scrap, you're just going to place it like that, just like that. And you can see our netherite ingots, and you're going to need a bunch of these. So just make as many as you can. So now from here, we're going to now make more of the netherite upgrades that we need. So you can do that by just selecting one of them right here, just adding some netherrack and then filling it with diamonds. Just like that, you can make more and more of them, and you can have infinite because you can only find one in the chest that you will find in the nether. Now finally, in our smithing table, all you have to do is just click here, select the armor that you would like to upgrade, our netherite upgrade, and then our nether ingot. And as you can see right there, we have our netherite helmet that we can just use, and you can just do so on all the other equipment, all our armor. Then from here the ingot, and there we go. You can just do that self and repeat, and that is all. And now we have it fully. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.